Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some crochet cute pillow cover designs model knitted with wool. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative case for a pillow made using crochet techniques. It involves creating a fabric by interlocking lobes of yarn with a crochet hook. These covers can feature a variety of patterns, textures, and colors, ranging from simple and minimalist designs to intricate and detailed motifs like flowers or geometric shapes. Crochet pillow covers are often used to add a cozy handmade touch to your home decor, and they can complement a range of styles from vintage and shabby chic to farmhouse and bohemian. They are usually removable, making it easy to change the look of a room by swapping out the covers for different seasons or occasions. Here are some tips for creating or choosing crochet pillow covers. Choose the right yarn. Opt for yarn that suits the desired look and feel of your pillow cover. Cotton yarn is durable and easy to care for, while wool adds warmth. For a softer feel, consider acrylic or blended yarns. Pick a pattern that matches your decor. If your home has a vintage or farmhouse style, go for classic crochet patterns like granny squares, black or floral motifs. For a modern look, choose geometric or minimalist designs. Use a color palette that complements your space. Stick to colors that match or contrast nicely with your exciting decor. Neutral tones like beige, white, and gray are versatile, while bold colors can make the pillow a statement piece. Experiment with textures. Incorporate different stitch patterns to add texture to your pillow cover. Bubbles, cables, and shell stitches can create interesting surfaces that add depth to the design. Size matters. Measure your pillow insert before starting the cover to ensure a snug fit. Crochet trends to stress, so make the cover slightly smaller than the pillow for a tighter fit. Add decorative details. Consider adding buttons, tassels, or pom-poms to the edge of the pillow cover for an extra touch of charm. Use a removable closer. Make your pillow cover easy to remove by adding a buttoned or zipper closer. This makes washing and changing the cover easier. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix different crochet patterns and textures within a set of pillows. This can create a cozy yet varied look that's add interest to your decor. Block your work. After finishing your crochet page, block it to even out the stitches and give it a professional look. This helps the cover to maintain its shape. Consider seasonal covers. Create or purchase different covers for various seasons or holidays to refresh the look of your living space throughout the year. Use a lining. Consider adding a fabric lining to the inside of your crochet pillow cover. This helps maintain the shape, prevents the pillow insert from showing through, and adds a layer of durability. Play with open work patterns. If you like the idea of a decorative pillow with a more airy feel, try using open work or leg crochet patterns. This adds a delicate, intricate look while still showing the pillow inside underneath. Combine crochet with fabric. For a unique look, combine crochet with fabric. You could crochet just outside of the cover or use crochet as an accent on a fabric pillow cover. This mix of materials can add visual interest. Try different shapes. While square or rectangular pillow covers are the most common, don't hesitate to explore other shapes like circles, ovals, or even more unique forms like stars or hearts, depending on your decor style. Experiment with gradient yarn. Using gradient or ombre yarn can create a beautiful transition of colors across your pillow cover without the need for changing yarns or dealing with multiple ends. Use a simple stitch for large patterns. If you are working with a large or bold pattern, consider using a simple stitch like single or double crochet. This will allow the pattern or color work to stand out more clearly. Add personalized elements. Consider customizing your pillow covers with ink details, names, or symbols that are meaningful to you. This adds a personal touch to your decor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!